अरे मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू मोहन सर क्लास. आई एम फ्रॉम हैदराबाद. आई वेलकम all the students. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening and good night. Today we are going to discuss about the time of falling in a projectile motion. Time of falling. So in the projectile motion, in the case of projectile motion, we are discussing about the time of descent. Time of descent. Time of descent. Time of descent. Time of descent is time of coming down. Time of descent. Time of falling down. Time taken by the body to come down from the maximum height. Yeah, time taken by the body to come down from the maximum height. Yeah, this is the maximum height. The body is in the maximum height. So S is equal to h maximum. Now here the ending velocity from this side, time of ascent, the ending velocity will become the starting velocity. The end velocity from this side, time of ascent to the highest point, the end velocity is 0. The final velocity of the body reaching to the highest point is 0. So that will become the starting velocity. So in the starting velocity, here we have u values. Now time of falling down, here it is falling down, time of coming down, and a is affected. A is equal to, it is plus g, and it is reaching at the here on the surface with a velocity v from the maximum height. So how you frame that? The time taken by the body, the time taken by the body from the maximum height, from the maximum height to reach the ground, to reach the ground, or to reach the horizontal surface, to reach the horizontal surface. The time taken by the body to reach the horizontal surface from the other end, from the maximum height, is called time of descent. It is called as, it is called time of descent. Time of descent. Here we are taking that the starting velocity is 0. And a is equal to plus g, it is coming down. Time is equal to td, and s is equal to from the maximum height. It is coming from the maximum height. The body is released from the maximum height. Now, making use of this time and displacement equation, we know the time and displacement equation is s is equal to ut plus half at square. Yeah. From this time and displacement equation, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Here s is equal to how much? S maximum, h maximum. So h maximum is coming, and the starting velocity is 0. The body has 0 velocity starting from the highest point. It has returned the journey from the time of ascent. Final velocity has been converted into initial velocity. So it is 0. This term is completely 0. Plus half plus g, time is td square. Td square. Now you do cross multiplication, then td is separated here. So time of descent square is equal to, it is 2 comes to numerator, 2h maximum, and g comes to denominator. G comes to denominator over here. Now we are observing time of descent. H maximum, what is the formula for H maximum? So you want to see the H maximum formula, already we have discussed in the earlier classes. H maximum is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. This is the formula to be used for H maximum, already we discussed in the previous class. H maximum is equal to u square sin square by 2g. Now substitute here in this place. Substitute in this place. So td square is equal to, td square is equal to, it is 2 into u square sin square theta by, it is g and 2g. 2g is here, g is here. So 2g into g is 2g square. It is 2g into g square. G square. Now cancel the term. These terms are get cancelled. So td is equal to what? Td square is equal to, the rest of the equation is u square sin square theta by g square. Taking the square root on both sides. You take the square root on both sides. here the square and a square get cancelled, and here the square root get cancelled with the square get cancelled. So if you take the square root on both sides, this is td square, the square get cancelled, and other side square root is there in every part of the equation, u square sin square theta by it is g square. So this square is coming to whole square, u square sin square by g square, it comes to whole square, the square get cancelled. Then we have time of descent, time of falling down can be taken as it is u sin theta by g. U sin theta by g is the time of falling. So we are observing in the case of time of going and time of falling, coming, going up and falling down. The displacement is 0 because it is falling on the surface of the earth only. When it is projected, starting is from the earth. Again it is falling, coming down on the other side. So displacement is 0. But time of going and time of coming from the maximum height, it is the same. That is u sin theta by g. So here I write it as time of going, time of coming is equal to u sin theta by g is the same. So time of ascent, time of descent is u sin theta by g. Okay children, all of you copy down. Have a nice day.